program designed by top healthcare specialists in the US for children aged 15 to 24 months. It is a class for parents to do interactively with their little ones so they can help them explore the joys of music and movement. Our qualified and enthusiastic instructors lead the class with age-appropriate activities and songs. And throughout the class we introduce props to enhance the development of the children's sensory motor activities. The lesson plan for the class changes monthly. This is to ensure that the child remains engaged and is experiencing a wide range of music and movement. It is a great introductory class for the kinder programs, where they can progress and attend classes right through to the age of 12 years old. It also is a fun class where the parents can bond and play with their children in a safe environment.
To dance with me at StepUp Academy with my 1.5-year-old. It's a really great class. There's lots of activities, they use props, you sing songs. It's really nice to do with my son because he goes to nursery, he does these things in nursery as well, but without me. So it's nice for me to learn how to interact with him and how to develop with him, and I can do it at home. And the teachers are just really friendly and they really know how to interact with the kids. It's really nice.